Okay, so before we start, I want you to take out your supplementary workbook. Keluarkan supplementary workbook. You don't need to take any pencil, gak usah ambil pensil, only supplementary workbooks. And then turn to unit 4, unit 4. Unit 4. Ready? Ready? If you have finished, show me your thumbs so that I know. Kalau udah, tunjukkan jempolnya. Jadi Miss tahu. Ready? Ready with your books? Vanis ready. Okay, Cheryl ready. Vania Natasha okay. Evalina okay. Evalina ya ini namanya ya? Hah? Yang laki-laki namanya Evalina? Nggak salah, Miss. Stanley Hansen okay. Alex okay. Okay, good. Now we start. Jangan tanya ada Zoom record enggak, tidak ada hubungannya Gilbert. Okay, yuk let's start. Can you see the screen? Nampak enggak screen-nya? Can you see? Show me your thumbs if you can see. Can I? Okay, we continue. So today, just like what I said just now, today we are going to learn supplementary workbook unit 4 and 5. Review ya. Karena kemarin udah di-share kan videonya kan. So today we are just going to review. Hari ini hanya review. So, part 1, reflexive pronouns. Masih ingat nggak reflexive pronoun? Do you remember? No? Anybody remember? So, reflexive pronouns are pronouns that refer back to the subject of the sentence. Jadi, reflexive pronoun digunakan untuk menjelaskan perbuatan yang dilakukan oleh sebuah subjek. Okay, now the question is, how many subject do we have? Kita ada berapa subjek? Show me with your hand. Tunjukkan pakai tangan saja. So that I can see how many subject do we have in English? How many? Anybody knows? Ada berapa? Nobody knows. Waduh, gak ada yang tahu. Who is that? Evalina. Evalina bilang ada 8. Yang lain? Show me with your hands. It's okay to make mistake. Stalin 7, Salin Hadian 7. Okay, ada yang bilang 8, ada yang bilang 7, ada yang 17 lagi. So, in English, dalam bahasa Inggris, there are only 7 subjects. Okay, cuman ada 7 subjek. Not 17, bukan 17, bukan 8 ya, but only 7. What are they? Apa saja? Yang pertama itu ada I, saya. Okay, I diganti jadi, how do you say? Saya mengerjakan tugas ini sendiri, saya sendiri. So I diganti jadi myself. Yes, very good, Cheryl. I become myself. And then he jadi apa? Oh, your name is Delphine. Sorry. Himself. Okay, very good. And then next, she jadi apa? Who write first? Wait, let me see who write first. Viola. She jadi herself. Very good. And then next we have it. It diganti jadi apa? It diganti jadi dia sendiri. How do you say dia sendiri? Dia hewan kan? It untuk hewan. Itself. Okay, next. Ini yang hanya satu, singular. Okay, you. Kalau you itu punya 2 arti, remember. Kalau you itu artinya bukan hanya kamu, tapi bisa juga jadi kalian. So be careful with you. Kalau you itu harus hati-hati. Understand? Kalau you itu cuma satu orang, you have to use the one with F. Pakai yang ada F-nya, yourself. Oke, tapi kalau you-nya lebih dari satu, misalnya kalian semua. So you have to use the one with VES. Harus pakai yang ada VES-nya. So yourselves. Understand? Udah ngerti bedanya sampai di sini? Ngerti? Show me your thumbs kalau mengerti. Mengerti ya? Oke, next. We, kita. Kita berarti udah lebih dari satu. Jadi nggak boleh pakai F, harus pakai yang VES. So become ourselves. Understand? And then they juga sama, mereka. Kalau namanya mereka, udah pasti lebih dari satu. So, you have to use VES too. Themselves. Ya, bukan themselves pakai F, tapi themselves pakai VES. Understand ya, until here? Ngerti ya sampai di sini ya? Oke. Next. Example, contohnya. Ini Miss kasih contoh. I think you need to buy blank 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 a new smartphone. Subjeknya di sini siapa? Saya rasa kamu harus membeli sebuah handphone baru. Yang harus membeli itu siapa? Saya atau kamu? I or you? Yang harus membeli itu siapa? I or you? I think you need to buy blank 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 a new smartphone. Saya rasa kamu harus membeli sebuah handphone baru. Jadi yang mau beli handphone itu siapa? Saya atau kamu? Nobody answer? Gak ada yang menjawab. Saya atau kamu? Yes, you, kamu. That is why you diganti jadi apa? Nikita, you diganti jadi apa? Coba, Nikita. You diganti jadi your. Tadi yang Miss ajarin yang self punya, your.
Self.
Yourself. Pakai F atau pakai VS, Nikita? You-nya di sini berapa orang? Satu kan? Berarti pakai yang A. So, yourself. Understand? Bisa ya? Nikita is very good. Okay, next. Alice and I painted the house. Alice dan saya mengecat rumah. Berarti Alice and I. Kita kan? We diganti jadi apa? We diganti jadi apa, Selin? Where is Selin? Just now I saw Selin. Mana Selin? Oh, this one. Selin coba unmute. Alice and I diganti jadi apa?
Ourselves.
Yes, we, ourselves. Pakai VS ya. Okay, good. And then number 3, both of you should do your homework. Nah, ini I want Dave Edward Wijaya. Try to unmute yourself, Dave. Both of you, kalian berdua. Pakai apa?
Both of you should do your homework yourself.
Yourself pakai F atau pakai VES?
F.
Hah? Are you sure? Both of you berarti kalian berdua, lebih dari satu. Pakai F atau pakai VES?
VES.
Yes. Ingat kalau lebih dari satu pakai yang VES. So, yourself. Okay. So, sekarang like this ya. Nanti kita cara mainnya kayak gini. Okay. So, when I ask you question, you raise your hand. Nanti kalau Miss bertanya, kalian angkat tangan. I will choose one, and then I will unmute you. Nanti Miss unmute, kalian harus unmute juga. Oke, kalau udah selesai menjawab, di mute balik. Oke ya. Oke, next. Next. Fill in the blanks with the correct reflexive pronouns. Nah, ini ada soalnya. You try to answer first. Coba dijawab dulu. 2 menit. 2 minutes. Dreyafin want to try it. Yuk, number 1, Jeffin. Dreyafin Mek Wong. How to pronounce your name? Unmute, Dek. Nah, kayak mana
Some
cara bahasa
animals
namamu?
clean itself with their tongues.
Some animals clean itself. Oke, Miss tanya, animals-nya di sini ada S kan? Ada enggak? Nah, kalau udah ada S berarti lebih dari satu kan? Benar enggak? Kalau lebih dari satu berarti banyak, berarti mereka. Mereka berarti jawabannya apa?
Themselves.
Yes, very good, Javin. Themselves. Okay, now meet yourself, yeah, Javin. Okay, good. Now number 2, I want Cheryl Riquelmi Potan. Cheryl?
The monkey is feeding itself some bananas.
Yes, the monkey is feeding itself. Monkey-nya cuma satu, so we use itself. Good. Mute yourself, Cheryl. Mute. Okay, good. Next, number 3. I want Janet. Janet Emily. Unmute yourself. Number 3, Janet. We have. I cannot hear your voice, Dek. Gak kedengaran suaramu. Have you eaten? Sudah makan belum? Belum makan. Yang keras coba. We have.
We have to look after when we grow older.
Look after siapa?
We look after ourselves when we grow.
Yes, very good. We have to look after ourselves when we grow older. Good. Number 4. Kalau mau jawab harus nampak fotonya ya, kameranya. Kalau nggak ada, Miss nggak mau panggil. Number 3, Dave want to try again ya? Number 4 ya, coba Dave, number 4. Dave Edward.
Tom saw a reflection of himself
In the? Baca
in the mirror.
Yes, good. Tom saw a reflection of himself in the mirror. Another student, yang lain? Miss gak mau yang ini terus. Yang lain mau yang coba? Ada yang mau coba? Venice, 4F. Number 5.
Cindy drive herself to work every day.
Yes,
She
Cindy.
doesn't.
Okay, good. Cindy drives herself to work every day. Cindy karena perempuan, we use herself. Okay, she doesn't take the bus. Now, we go to the next one. Yang selanjutnya, models. Should and shouldn't. Should and shouldn't artinya apa? Should means seharusnya, shouldn't means tidak seharusnya. Okay, means you cannot do, gak boleh dikerjakan. Ya. We directly goes to the question. Kita langsung masuk ke soalnya ya. So if you want to answer, you can raise up your hand. And these are the answer. These are the questions. Okay. Number 1, it's cold. You blank 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 wear a coat. Who wants to try to answer this? Siapa yang mau coba jawab? Who is this? Gracelyn? Gracelyn Hamilton. Gracelyn, coba. It's cold. You should wear a coat. Yes, good, benar. Dingin, jadi harus pakai mantel atau jaket. Number 2, Selin Hadian.
She should go to bed late.
No, you have to read the question.
Shouldn't.
No, baca dulu soalnya, Dik. Yang lengkap, she is.
Oh, she's always tired. She shouldn't go to bed late every night.
Yes, very good. Mute yourself. She is always tired. She shouldn't go to bed late every night. Next, Giovanni Purba. Nomor 3, coba. Ya, nomor 3 udah keluar jawabannya. Nomor 4. Nomor 4. Giovanni Purba, where is she? Loh, hilang.
Tom
Oh,
blank 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 eat many lollipops. Bad for his teeth. Tom shouldn't eat so many lollipops.
Yes, very good. Tom
Bad
shouldn't
for his
eat
teeth.
so many lollipops. It's bad for his teeth. Good. Please mute yourself. Demute. Number 5. We have Aileen or Ailen 4D. Please unmute yourself. Ailen.
You are often late to work. You should get up late earlier.
You should get up earlier. Dah agak ada late. Okay, please mute yourself. You are often late to work, so you should get up earlier. Kamu selalu terlambat, jadi kamu harus bangun lebih pagi. Okay. Next. This is what we just learned. Ini yang baru kita pelajari, right? Question words. There are 6 question words that we are going to learn. Ada 6 question words yang akan kita pelajari. The first one we have what. What is used to ask thing? What digunakan untuk menanyakan tentang benda, hewan, ataupun kegiatan. Okay. Kegiatan itu contohnya what are you doing now? I am listening to you, Miss. Apa yang kamu lakukan? Saya sedang mendengarkan kamu, Miss. That is kegiatan. Okay. I am studying English, Miss. That one is activity. Understand? And then number 2, where? Where digunakan untuk menanyakan tempat. And then number 3, we have when. When digunakan untuk menanyakan waktu. And then who is used to ask about people as subject. Who digunakan untuk menanyakan orang sebagai subjek. And then number 5, we have why. Why digunakan untuk menanyakan tentang alasan. Okay, here is the tips. Ini tipnya. Kalau di jawabannya ada kata because, you have to answer with why. Okay, this is the easiest. Ini yang paling gampang. Kalau nampak kata because, udah pasti pertanyaannya why. Okay, and then the last, we have how. How digunakan untuk menanyakan tentang cara. For example, Miss tanya, bagaimana cara kamu pergi ke sekolah? Saya pergi ke sekolah naik bus, Miss. Saya pergi ke sekolah naik helikopter, Miss. Atau saya pergi ke sekolah naik pesawat, Miss. That is cara. Okay, by bus, by car, by motorcycle, by aeroplane. Itu semua cara. Okay, and then condition, kondisi. For example, how are you today? Bagaimana kabar kalian? I am fine, thank you. You cannot say, where are you today? I am fine, itu salah. Okay, you are supposed to ask ketika menanyakan kabar, how are you today? Menanyakan umur, how old are you? Okay, menanyakan harga, how much is this? Understand? Show me your thumbs if you understand. Ngerti? Okay, good. Next, we have 5 questions. 5 soal, but I don't want to call the one that have answered before. Jadi yang tadi udah menjawab, jangan angkat tangan lagi ya. Because I want to give turn to another friends. Miss mau ganti, kasih giliran ke teman-teman yang belum sempat jawab. Okay? Okay ya? Next, we have 5 questions. Complete the sentences with the correct question words. Lengkapilah kalimat tersebut dengan menggunakan kata tanya yang benar. So we are going with 3 questions first. Kita mulai dengan 3 soal dulu. Yang udah tadi menjawab jangan angkat tangan lagi because I'm not going to call you anymore. Ganti-gantian. Number 1, Fania Natasha. Try to unmute yourself, Fania. Fania Natasha. Okay, try to answer this. Blank, 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 sit next to Frank. Clara sits next to Frank. Clara itu termasuk apa? Clara tempatkah? No, kita harus jawab pakai what, where, when, who, why, atau how. Kalau menanyakan orang pakai apa? Where? Where?
Why?
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 Why? Okay, mute yourself. Fania Natasha bilang why. Anybody wants to correct? Joelyn Metanli. That's Jevelyn or Joelyn Metanli? Where is it? Where is she? Kok hilang? Jevelyn, that's Jevelyn, right? Yes, Jevelyn. Apa jawabannya? Why benar nggak? Yes, yang benar. Who sits next to Frank? Who ya, karena Clara itu adalah orang. Kita harus pakai who. Okay, next. Number 2, let me see who is raising up their hands. Miss mau lihat siapa yang angkat tangan. Who wants to try to answer number 2? Maria Magdalena. Switch on your camera, please, Maria, so that I can see your face. Maria.
How old are her children?
And then jawabannya they are. Baca juga sama ininya. They are 7 and 10. Okay, good. Mute yourself, Maria. So, how old are her children? They are 7 and 10. Ketika kita menanyakan umur, harus pakai how. Number 3, I want Shefa Tanaho. 4D.
Does the restaurant open?
It opens at 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock, jam 6, itu termasuk apa? Orang, tempat, hewan, waktu, termasuk apa? Jam 6. Dari Syafa. Termasuk apa, Syafa?
When?
Yes, when? When does the restaurant open? It opens at 6 o'clock. Next, just now I saw somebody raising up their hand so high. Tadi Miss nampak ada yang angkat tangan tinggi kali. Siapa itu? Okay, next. Number 4. 2 more numbers. Ada sisa 2 nomor. After that, we are going to end the meeting. I want Viola. Viola 4D, please. Unmute yourself, Viola. Number 5.
Why are you late? Because I missed the bus.
Yes, kenapa pakai why? Coba Miss tanya. Kenapa pakai why? Kenapa bukan who? Kenapa? Karena ada apa?
Because have the word because.
Very good. Karena ada kata because. Okay. Very good, Viola. So why are you late? Because I missed the bus. And then the last, Justin Wilbert, please. Are you in the car? Justin Wilbert.
Yes.
Are you in the car? Where are you going?
Yeah.
Jalan-jalan. Huh?
My mom wants to go to work.
Oh, I see. Okay. We have 10 minutes. The last. Take a look at number 6. How to answer? What is the answer?
What is Hannah doing? She is watching TV.
Okay, now Miss want to ask, kenapa what, Justin? I have explained this. Kenapa bukan who?
Because.
Kenapa? Karena yang ditanyakan itu apa?
Watching TV.
Yes, watching TV itu
activity.
Yes, very good. So the last one is, what is Hannah doing? She is watching TV. Okay, good. Understand? So this is the last of our review, the end of our review today. Okay, so I'm going to stop sharing and I'm going to unmute all of you. Okay, now, anybody wants to ask anything? Ada yang mau tanya? Before we end the meeting, sebelum kita end, ada yang mau bertanya? No. It means clear, berarti jelas ya?
No, Miss.
Jelas ya? Semua ngerti ya?
Jelas.
Okay, so it means berarti kalau ujian semua harus dapat 100 ya? Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, very good. Yeah,
Okay,
bye-bye.
Miss.
See you. Enjoy your weekend.
Bye, Miss.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Bye, Miss. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye,
You're
Miss.
welcome.
Miss.
Happy
Bye,
weekend.
Miss. Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye.